What's up, Fish Clown people? Got my daughter out here. Just cruising around. Got my other daughter just cruising around here, checking out people's gorgeous houses, man. It's just amazing, man. We got the Marine Cove. And it's just awesome around here, man. I'm just loving it. And yeah, over here, babe. Over here. Yeah, seeing everybody's boats and everything. It's so cool. Yeah, it's so awesome. Yeah, and one day we'd like to live on this lake. This is a pretty amazing lake. You got all these people going all the way across here. Go down here, honey, then we'll turn around and go all the way on the other side. Yeah. Just let the boat do the work. All right, man. We just want to show you some real estate in Sleepy Hollow. You see you guys got the boats and everything. This is how you do it, man. Wow, and just checking out people's boats and checking out the property. Man, God, it's good around here, man. Oh, you can do a big circle here, babe. Yeah. Easy.
I'm moving the motorcycle.
Great, honey. Alright, folks, yeah. Over here, baby. Let's check this out over here. Wow, Lord. It's amazing around here. Yes, Lord. In case you didn't know. Alright, folks, show you some real estate on this beautiful Hernando Lake, real close to Henderson Lake. Just an amazing place. Yeah, alright, folks. Just take this little U around here. Alright, Lord. Just want to show you a little bit of Hernando. Yeah, it's just beautiful houses out here with pools and everything. Take a right, honey. Alright, folks. If you like this content, just chilling in Hernando.